Welcome back to Study Sprint. Let's take a look at ratios and fractions. Our learning objectives for today's video are to use ratios to find fractions and to use fractions to find ratios. So let's take a look at our first question, which is, a recipe uses white flour and brown flour in the ratio 2:1. What fraction of flour is brown? So our first question is, a recipe uses white flour and brown flour in the ratio 2:1. What fraction of the flour is brown? So we know that the white flour is 2 parts and the brown flour is 1 part. We need to find the fraction of the brown flour. The brown flour is represented by 1. So what we do is that we are going to add up both the parts, 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3. And then the number, which represents brown flour, which is 1, we're going to write that as the numerator of the fraction with the total number of parts as the denominator. So 1/3 of the flour is brown. Our next question is, Amy's socks drawer has spotty, stripy, and plain socks in the ratio 5:1:4. What fraction are stripy socks? The stripy socks are represented by 1. So again, we're going to first add up all our parts, 5 plus 1 plus 4, which is equal to 10. And then 1 will be the numerator and the total number of parts will be the denominator. Our third question is, in a bag of red sweets and green sweets, 1/3 are red. Find the ratio of red to green sweets. So we know that from all of the sweets, only 1/3 are red. How do we change that into a ratio? So we know that the denominator of the fraction represents the total number of parts. So let's imagine this as 3 squares. And from all the 3 squares, 1 square represents red sweets because the fraction is 1/3. This means that the remaining 2 squares represent the green sweets. So we can write the fraction of red sweets as 1/3 that is already given to us, and the fraction of green sweets as 2/3. Now to write these fractions as ratios, we are going to write the numerators of both the fractions because the denominators are already the same. So our answer would be 1:2. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. For more maths videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the notification bell.